Hello and welcome. Let's just quickly immerse and get into the General Awareness class assignment part 2. Here we are looking at parent companies questions. So I want you to pull out your sheet that is related to General Awareness class assignment 2. This is a part of your brands and taglines component. Please remember proper knowledge about brands, taglines is extremely crucial if you want to score well in your entrances. Alright. Quickly, let's get started. Now, please remember, whenever we talk about products that we're using on a daily basis, be it any product, for example, these days, if you're using a sanitizer, what product are you using? Are you using a Dettol sanitizer? Which company is it coming from? Or it's a product of which company? For example, is it a Reckitt Benckiser product? Is it a Unilever product? Is it a Hindustan Unilever product? What is the difference between Hindustan Unilever Limited and Unilever only? All right. So these are certain questions that need to come to your mind if you want to get selected properly in these entrances, right? So you need to be extremely aware. You need to quickly ask any product that you're using, which brand is it coming for, because that curiosity will ensure that you're getting the correct answer in your entrances. However, we are here to help you out with some of the most important questions, right? Now, please remember when you talk about products, okay, so these products are not always being produced by the same company. These products are not like, for example, if you're using a shampoo like Sunsilk, so it's not necessary that Sunsilk is the owner company. It might be having a parent company, okay? And of course, in this case, Sunsilk does have a parent company, all right? So these parent companies are larger companies that are dealing with diversified product ranges, right? So we need to be aware about these parent companies because you get one or two questions primarily coming from parent companies, okay? Some of the most famous parent companies that we have, of course, is Procter & Gamble. You've got the Hindustan Unilever. You've got the Berkshire Hathaway company. These are some important companies that you need to keep in mind, all right? So, for example, we might have Procter & Gamble, Hindustan Unilever, Hindustan Unilever Limited, or only Unilever also, all right? So, let's just quickly get started. Berkshire Hathaway is also there. So, for example, your Duracell batteries that you use, right? They're often advertised. They're coming from Berkshire Hathaway. So, let's just quickly get started. And before we go further solving that question, I want you to look at some parent companies, okay? One of the biggest parent companies that we have is Hindustan Unilever. And Hindustan Unilever is currently getting threatened by Patanjali. Baba Ramdev's Patanjali is one of the biggest competitor of Hindustan Unilever. This is India's largest consumer goods company. It is a subsidiary. This is a subsidiary of Unilever. And what is Unilever? Unilever is an Anglo-Dutch multinational company. Unilever is an Anglo-Dutch multinational company, and Hindustan Unilever is a subsidiary of your Anglo-Dutch multinational company Unilever. So do keep this in mind whenever we are talking about. And most of the products that you have, please remember your Procter & Gamble, your Hindustan Unilever, your Reckitt Benckiser. These are some parent companies which are very important that you need to be aware about, okay? Of course, like I said, currently Hindustan Unilever, despite being one of the largest consumer goods company, has been threatened by Patanjali, and Baba Ramdev has also expressed, this is basically taken from an interview in 2018, that's almost 2 years ago, but at that particular point in time, and even today, the situation hasn't really changed. Patanjali is considered to be a threat for Hindustan Unilever. And please remember, Patanjali's CEO is Acharya Balkrishna. This question can also come, so you need to keep this in mind. And when you talk about Hindustan Unilever, it's getting threatened by Patanjali also. Okay, so Hindustan Unilever is there, which I told you is a subsidiary of Unilever. Then you've got the Procter & Gamble company. The Procter & Gamble company is an American multinational consumer goods corporation. It's having its headquarters in Cincinnati, Ohio, right? So please remember this. And of course, the founders were William Procter and James Gamble. That's how Procter & Gamble came into being. And they are, of course, dealing with many products. They're dealing with extreme amount of products. For example, when you talk about your Ariel, okay, when you talk about your Ariel, Daag Achhe Hain, right? Ariel has got a campaign of Daag Achhe Hain, or Gillette, which is considered to be one of the most Gillette ads also you would have seen whenever we talk about shaving, men's shaving part. Olay Total Control, or Oral B for that matter. They're all a part of Procter Gamble. Vicks that we keep on using, right? Whenever we are suffering from cold and cough. So the Vicks Vapor Up that we have got is all coming from Procter and Gamble. Then you've got Pampers. Pampers again, very, very famous. Pampers again coming from Procter and Gamble, right? So these are certain products. So the Ambipure that you have, which is air freshener. These are all products that we use on a daily basis, but we often forget to notice that which is the parent company, and the parent company is on the product, right? So if you notice the product correctly, you would be able to identify this parent company. So please do keep this in mind. And the current chairman that you are having, the current chairman and CEO of Procter & Gamble is David S. Taylor. Do keep this in mind. This is also important, okay? Do keep this in mind. Like I told you, Procter & Gamble, it's also one of the largest and fastest growing consumer goods companies in the world. And of course, it's trying to touch and deal with lives of 4.4 billion people around the world. When you talk about products like Tide, Gillette, Pampers, these are all important products that are there, which Procter & Gamble is dealing in, right? Then, of course, another parent company which is very famous is Godrej Group. Godrej is again a conglomerate dealing with a diverse range of products, right? It is, of course, having its entire headquarters in Mumbai. So if you've gone to Mumbai, you'll be able to see the Godrej building. So the Godrej building is considered to be one of the most beautiful workplaces in Mumbai. There's One India Bulls and there's Godrej building. That is the office of the Godrej Group. Its headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And of course, over here, they're dealing with industrial engineers, appliances, furniture, real estate, consumer products. So, for example, a lot of times we use HIT, right? Ek lal hit dena, या फिर मच्छर आ गए तो we are using a HIT, but we forget that HIT is actually a product of Godrej Group, right? So the HIT campaign was a very successful campaign also before Diwali, so that you could get your house completely disinfected, sanitized completely. So HIT is a product of Godrej Group. So these are things that you need to be aware. So the Lal Hit Diwali is coming campaign that was there, right, is also part of Godrej Consumer Good, right? So you need to keep this in mind. Good Night is a part of Godrej Group. So these are certain products that we use on a daily basis, but we need to be more aware about which is the parent company. So the first task after this particular assignment that you're completing is, please be more aware about the products that are around you. Try to look at which is the parent company. Try to look at the tagline. Try to see, are they in news for any reasons, right? All right. So let's just quickly get started with the assignment. Please pull out your assignment that you are having. So some of the parent companies that we've discussed will be coming again and again. So when you talk about the first product that's been asked, Fair and Lovely. Fair and Lovely is a skin lightening cosmetic product that came in the Indian market in 1975. A lot of people criticize this product because it's a fairness cream. Please remember Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever is a parent company for Fair and Lovely. Alright. Ariel Daag Achhe hain, right? Ariel Daag Achhe hain. Fair and Lovely has also started with a skill training academy. ये आपके यामी गौतम इसकी advertisement करती है. यामी गौतम is one of the most important brand ambassadors also of Fair and Lovely, right? And they have come up with a skill training institute. What they do, they train girls, they're skilling girls so that they can get a job. So maybe they can ask you a question, which fairness product or which cream has currently come up with a skill training center, and that skill training center has been set up with the help of course, the Hindustan Unilever Limited, right? Gillette, of course, important. Gillette when you're talking about your razors and personal care products, and this is again, Gillette is again having the parent company as Procter & Gamble. Please remember that. So Gillette's parent company is also Procter & Gamble. So is Head & Shoulders. So a couple of products that are coming under Procter & Gamble. You got Head & Shoulders, you got Olay Total Effects, right? Olay Total Effects. Then you have a lot of Bollywood celebrities coming. Oral-B toothbrush, right? Use the Oral-B toothbrush, or Pantene Provene, for which Priyanka Chopra also advertises, right? Tide, I just showed you Tide. Tide is also there. So these are all products coming under Procter & Gamble. Keep that in mind, please. Okay. Head & Shoulders is anti-dandruff shampoo or the non-dandruff shampoo. This is also owned by Procter & Gamble. And this was, of course, introduced in 1961. Okay, so do keep this in mind. Olay Total Effects, this American skincare brand, is also coming under Procter and Gamble. Okay, Procter and Gamble, please remember that. So Fair and Lovely was Hindustan Unilever, and Olay Total Effects, or Olay, that is there in cosmetics, is coming under Procter and Gamble. Okay, the parent company is Procter and Gamble. Oral-B, that is dealing with, it's of course a part of the Gillette group. It became part of the Gillette group in 1984. And here you need to remember that they started as manufacturers of electric toothbrushes, but now of course they are having normal toothbrushes as well. And you need to know that Oral-B has been a part of the Procter and Gamble company since 2006. Okay, and B over here is standing for brush. This is also an important point. Please do keep this in mind. Oral-B. So B stands for brush. This is also something which you need to keep in mind. So certain brands, if they have any alphabet, or is that alphabet standing for something, you need to be aware about it. So Oral-B, B stands for brush. Please remember this. Okay, so when you talk about Oral-B product, this is of course the parent company is Procter and Gamble, which is an American based company that we saw. However, you need to keep in mind that in Oral-B, B is standing for brush. Okay, alright, Surf Excel. Surf Excel is owned by Unilever, that's the Anglo-Dutch company. So Surf Excel is of course a Unilever brand that is there. Okay, so please do keep this in mind when you're talking about Surf Excel. When you're talking about Surf Excel, it's owned by Unilever. Don't get confused between Hindustan Unilever and Unilever. Hindustan Unilever is a subsidiary of Unilever. Okay, so do keep that in mind. Okay, Procter and Gamble again comes when you talk about Pantene. Pantene is a Swiss created American brand. Alright, and this is of course owned by Procter and Gamble. Please remember that. So Pantene, it branded the name based on panthenol as a shampoo ingredient. Panthenol is used. Why is it called Pantene? Because panthenol is used as a shampoo ingredient in Pantene. So it is also part of Procter and Gamble. So you can remember this is easy. P for Pantene, P for Procter and Gamble. You can remember it easily. Alright, so do keep this in mind. Tide, we've already seen, is a part of Procter and Gamble. Tide is one of the highest selling detergent brands in the world. It has got an estimated 14.3% of the global market currently. So this is one of the highest selling detergent brands because it's considered to be cheap as well as a good product altogether when you talk about the world average, not just in India. Okay, it's owned by Procter and Gamble. Alright, Hindustan Unilever is also owning Brew Coffee. Please do keep that in mind when you talk about Brew Coffee. So Brew Coffee, brew से होती है दुनिया शुरू, ये आपका tagline भी होता था. So Brew जो आपकी coffee है, that is a part of Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever is the parent company. And it's of course having direct competition with Nestle's Nescafe. Nestle का जो Nescafe है, Nestle also you can remember Nestle's Nescafe. So this is having direct competition from Nestle's Nescafe. Okay, direct competition with Nestle's Nescafe. You got the next one, Red Label, Brooke Bond Red Label. So Brooke Bond is a brand of tea that is getting owned by Unilever. So Red Label, again the parent company is Unilever because it's Brooke Bond Red Label, right? If you've seen the ad, Brooke Bond Red Label chai. So please keep that in mind. Brooke Bond is now under Unilever. Okay, so you need to keep this in mind. Please remember this. Okay, Kisan is coming under Hindustan Unilever. Your Kisan ketchup is coming under Hindustan Unilever. Kisan or Lipton green tea again coming under Hindustan Unilever. Do keep this in mind. Your Vicks is under Procter Gamble. We've already spoken about Vicks. Vicks is coming under Procter and Gamble. Vicks is a product that's coming under Procter and Gamble. So Vicks, the product, is coming under Procter and Gamble. Quality Walls, the parent company is Hindustan Unilever. Please remember that, of course, Hindustan Unilever is an arm or subsidiary of Unilever. And when you talk about your Quality Walls, there is Quality of India and Walls of the Great Britain. These two companies came together to form Quality Walls. Please remember this. This is important. So when you talk about Quality Walls is actually an amalgamation. So this is an amalgamated brand. That means two brands coming together to make one brand. All right. So Quality was a company of India and Walls was a company of Great Britain. These two came together, and the parent company is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Okay. Alright, Duracell, like I told you, Duracell is coming from Berkshire Hathaway. This is one of the only, I think, companies in this entire group that we are discussing coming from Berkshire Hathaway. Alright, this is of course an American manufacturing company that is owned by Berkshire Hathaway. This is supplying batteries and smart power systems when you talk about Duracell. So इसको भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना बिकॉज ये ज़रूरी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. दिस इज़ ऑफ कोर्स देयर ओन्ड बाय बर्कशायर हैथवे. ड्यूरासेल जो है पहले आपका प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल के अंदर आ रहा था, बट इन 2014 it was seen that Procter and Gamble reached an agreement to sell the company to Berkshire Hathaway. तो अभी करंट पेरेंट कंपनी कौन सी है? करंट पेरेंट कंपनी Berkshire Hathaway है. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ आप यहाँ पर ध्यान में रख सकते हो कि पहले प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल था ड्यूरासेल का. तभी कुछ कुछ इमेजेस में आपको ड्यूरासेल का पेरेंट कंपनी दिखेगा प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल. लेकिन यू नीड टू रिमेंबर कि 2014 में प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल ने बर्कशायर हैथवे को ये सेल कर दिया है. ठीक है, 2014 में 2014 में प्रॉक्टर एंड गैम्बल हैज सोल्ड इट टू बर्कशायर हैथवे. सो डू कीप दिस इन माइंड. ऑलराइट, लैक्मे ऑफ कोर्स इंडियाज first number one cosmetic brands that you are having right in India. This actually started as a subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills, Tomco, but currently it is owned by Hindustan Unilever. It is owned by Hindustan Unilever. The two brand ambassadors, Kareena Kapoor and Ananya Pandey, the two brand ambassadors for Lakme. You've got your Ananya Pandey and Kareena Kapoor. So those are the two brand ambassadors. Please remember that. The two brand ambassadors that are there are Ananya Pandey and Kareena Kapoor. Okay. Alright, Peers is a product that you need to remember for 2 or 3 things. This is of course a product that is coming under Unilever, alright, and this was one of the world's first mass market translucent soap. It was the first mass market translucent soap. Translucent, so you could see through the product, right? Translucent is something that is transparent. So please do remember this. And of course, like I said, that this particular brand that you're talking about, Peers, is owned by Unilever. So now, of course, it is owned by Unilever. So you can keep that in mind. And this is something which is important. All right, the next one is Synthol. Synthol is owned by Godrej, so you can keep that in mind. It's a fast moving consumer good, and Synthol is a product of the Godrej group. Synthol is a product of the Godrej group. So when you talk about Synthol, Synthol is a product of the Godrej group. Godrej group is the parent company. Okay, remember that. Hindustan Lever, when you're talking about Hindustan Lever, it's actually dealing with brands like Sunsilk, Clinic Plus, Clinic All Clear, right? So it's of course one of the largest consumer goods manufacturer. Nor, when you talk about it, it's Unilever. Okay, so it is owned by the British Dutch company Unilever. So Nor is getting owned by Unilever. Please keep that in mind. Nor is being owned by Unilever. All right. Pureit, of course, is by Hindustan Unilever Limited. Pureit is by Hindustan Unilever Limited. Many times you're asked this question, right? Axe deodorant is Unilever again. It's Unilever, not Hindustan Unilever, but Unilever. Axe, the Axe effect. Very, very sexy. Jiska tagline hai. So this Axe is actually owned by Unilever. This Axe is owned by Unilever. So you can actually make a cluster. ये जो सारे के सारे brands अभी हम देख रहे हैं, आप अपने खुद के लिए for making things easier, what you could do, child, is you could make a cluster, right? What you could do, you could make a cluster. For example, you can make a cluster of Procter and Gamble. List products that are coming under Procter and Gamble. For example, Ariel is coming under Procter and Gamble. Gillette is coming under Procter and Gamble. Head and Shoulders is coming under Procter and Gamble. Olay is coming under Procter and Gamble. Oral-B stands for brush. Oral-B is coming under Procter and Gamble, right? Your Pantene, Tide, they're all coming under Procter and Gamble, right? Pantene ho gaya, aapka Tide ho gaya, they're all coming under Procter and Gamble. Then you can maybe make another chart for Unilever only, right? And then you can make a subchart for Hindustan Unilever. So in Unilever's category, you can put Red Label, right? Brook Bond, Red Label. or here you can also put your Surf Excel. So Surf Excel, remember when you're talking about Surf Excel, you can remember that Tide is one of the largest detergent brands with over 14% people using it across the world. So इस तरह से अगर आप रिवाइज करते रहोगे, Fair and Lovely is a part of your Hindustan Unilever Limited. So please remember this way. अगर आप clusters बना के करोगे, you'll be able to remember it for a larger period of time, because these are common products that are usually seen in your exam. So these need to be on your fingertips. इनको आपने अच्छे से करना ही है, ये ज़रूरी हो जाएगा. Okay, so do keep this in mind. This is important. Okay, let's just quickly go on to the next one. Pepsodent. Pepsodent is again Unilever, is the parent company when you talk about Pepsodent, right? So Pepsodent is again owned by Unilever. This is of course toothpaste category. Lifebuoy again is Unilever. This is a part of the soap industry, right? And this is of course a carbolic soap containing penol. Penol is there, right? That is carbolic acid compound of extracted from coal tar. So do keep that in mind. Lifebuoy is also Unilever. Then you've got Rin. Rin is a part of Hindustan Unilever. Rin is a part of Hindustan Unilever. तो जब आप रिन सुप्रीम के ऐड देखते हो तो आपको पीछे बिल्कुल दिख जाता है, इट इज़ ओन्ड बाय हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर. ओके. Pampers, we've already discussed, is owned by Procter and Gamble. When you talk about Vaseline, Vaseline is by Unilever. Vaseline is by Unilever. So Vaseline, this is an American brand of petroleum jelly. All right. This is owned, of course, by British Dutch company called Unilever. Products, of course, include plain petroleum jelly and other skin cleaning lotions, Vaseline, which are there. Close up, your first important, all right. This was, of course, the first gel toothpaste, Close Up, and it's marketed worldwide by Unilever. Unilever is the parent company for Close Up. Okay, Unilever is a parent company for Close Up toothpaste and was the first gel toothpaste. Ambipure is by Procter and Gamble. Ambipure is keeping the entire air extremely fragrant. It's not a purifier, it's actually an air freshener. Understand the difference? Air purifier अलग होता है बच्चे, when you talk about air को pure करने वाला अलग होता है, लेकिन air freshener fresh करने वाला air को अलग होता है. So this is an air freshener and this is owned by Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble. So do keep that in mind. This is important. Okay. Then you got Sunsilk. Sunsilk is there and Sunsilk is owned by Unilever. Sunsilk is being owned by Unilever. So you can keep that in mind because this is important. Okay. Vim Bar that you have is again owned by Hindustan Unilever Limited. It was launched in 1993. This is a hand dishwashing brand that is of course created a category. अब आपको सब पता है, सबको Vim Bar के बारे में पता है, बर्तन चमके बार बार, Vim Bar. So these are important details regarding Vim Bar, that it's already made a mark. Okay. Then you got Tresemme as the last product. Tresemme is having Unilever as the parent company, right? And it is used by professionals. That's their tagline. It's used by the professional. Can you see most of the products will have taglines if you look at the logo correctly, right? Like Nike, just do it, right? So most of the important products will have their taglines directly. It is for you to look at them. It's for you to search them properly. That becomes extremely crucial. Without that, nothing can happen. So you need to remember them. All right. So like I said, we've actually looked at some of the important brands and their parent companies. Primarily, you have the Hindustan Unilever. You got your Unilever, Hindustan Unilever, as well as Procter and Gamble, as well as the Godrej Group. These are some important parent companies. And of course, you need to remember the parent companies of these products.